Dear Boss Tom, this is a tribute to you as you turn a new page of your life. We're proud of you because you are our boss who fights for everyone's interest, welfare, and benefits. You are an advocate and authority on the endorsement and promotion of the population program.
Boss Tom, talagang institusyon ka na, hindi lang dahil sa katandaan mo. Kundi, you've been really a staunch advocate of population and reproductive health. And of course, you'll be missed sorely kung wala ka na. But of course, we hope that you will enjoy your life after POPCOM. I know it will be hard for you to adjust, but we're here around. We're still around. We'll still be friends forever and ever. Amen.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Sir Tom for all the opportunities, particularly the research opportunities that we collaborated on. I can remember easily at least 6 trainings and projects that we worked together in the last 5 years or so. And I'm very sure that all the outputs of these projects have helped advance population development issues in the country.
You were once a beloved, favorite, and darling of the press, and the target of ambush interviews, simplifies and illuminates gloomy issues and anxieties about the program.
You wake up and time has slipped away.
You are our big brother
And suddenly it's hard to find
who treats everybody like your own family.
left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the
How can we ever forget the person who has been a part of our life?
shadows of misty yesterday
Someone who made us feel that we are needed in the improvement of the life of every Filipino.
you've seen, and all the others in between. Remember,
As we part our ways,
you remember
gusto ka naming pasalamatan sa lahat to assure you that we will remember you as the simple man, Tom or Tomas, the manager and servant leader.
Boss Tom, talaga nga naman, we will really miss you. We know too well that without you, POPCOM has not really been that great. Meaning to say that your leadership has really put POPCOM in the centerpiece of the population and development program. Of course, we will miss you a lot. But, you know, sabi nga nila, after being a government official, you can join the NGO.
As you move on to this new phase of your life, I wish you the best of health. May you continue to be the good person that you are, sharing what you have, your talents, to the people who surround you. So with that, God bless. And though we will not see each other as much, you will always be in our hearts and minds. So good luck, Sir Tom, and see you sometime.
We would like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all your support. Your leadership and guide had given us guide and inspiration to perform our various tasks in the region. Again, thank you, and we would like to wish you all the best in your retirement. God bless.
Boss Tom! Happy birthday! Happy retirement! Good health! God bless! Mama! Choo-choo!
Gusto magandang araw. Bilang ng ating araw sa POPCOM. Pero ganun pa man, maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Tuloy ang buhay. Meron tayong 3 paghuhugutan ng ating lakas. Una, the joy of the Lord when we serve other people. Second, ang kanyang presensya habang tayong gumagawa sa ating tungkulin sa Diyos o sa katauhan. Pangatlo, ang kanyang promises that He will not leave us till the end of time. Gustong salamat sa lahat. Ang lahat nakaangkan ko ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa pag-unawa, sa pagpatawad kung mayroon man kaming kakulangan, at sa kaligayahan habang tayo'y tumutugon sa nangangailangan sa ating tungkulin para sa Diyos at kapwa. To God be the glory. At sana magkikita tayo muli sa darating na panahon. Happy birthday, and may God bless you. Thank you very much.
We, the staff of Patcom Canada, wish you a happy and meaningful retirement. May God continue to give you good health and more years to spend with your loved ones. Thank you for making us part of the Patcom family. We always look up to you as a leader. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Tom. 64 ka na today, but I think it's your happiest birthday ever because you are 64, and in the song of the Beatles, when I'm 64, I'm getting older, losing my hair, pero in your case, Sir Tom, you have not lost your hair. In fact, ang gwapo-gwapo mo ngayon with your white hair. So we have a song that we dedicated to you on your 64th birthday, Sir Tom. Listen to it. And I know you will be going to a second phase in life. Pareho tayo, Sir Tom. And my only wish is that you will have good fortunes and less heartaches in the future. Happy birthday again from the whole staff of Patcom Region 10.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko.
From your SCR family, we wish you good luck, good health, God bless you. Salamat sa lahat ng ating pinagsamahan. We love you, Boston! Mwah! Kung saan ka masaya, suportahan namin ang desisyon mo. Okay, 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 alright. We are the Patcom Eagles. We love you, Sir Tom. We will surely miss you. Good luck!
Anytime punta ka sa Davao, you're always welcome, boss. See you soon! Enjoy, boss!
Director Tom, we would like to wish you a happy retirement and a happy birthday. May you have more productive years to come. Once again, happy birthday, happy retirement. Everyone,
Happy birthday, Sir Tom! Happy retirement! Happy birthday and happy retirement! Good luck, good health, God bless you! Mula sa iyong Diyos imabalo!
On behalf of the regional population staff, we would like to thank you for all the things you have done for the population program, and to me personally for all the things that you have done to me. Thank you very much. Boss, good luck, good health, and God bless you. Happy birthday! birthday, Boston!
Mula sa lahat ng Maayos, mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on us. For sure, that's what friends are for. You eat your way. We love you, Sir Tom. Godspeed. Mwah, mwah.
Good luck, Boston! We will miss you, sir.
God bless you, sir. Boston, happy birthday and happy retirement. We will miss you. Mahal ka namin. Mwah! Choo-choo! Tatandaan ipasig kami, ngunit mayroong awitin, iwanan sa iyo, alaala. Boston! Salamat, Boston!
Hello, Boston! Isang maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan, sa iyong pamilya, sa Office of the Executive Director. Masaya kami dahil ikaw ay 64 years old na, but still in good shape, mas pogi, mas malusog, at ano pa ba? mas maginoo at aktibo sa iyong pangangatawan. Masaya kami dahil ikaw ay maraming millions pag ikaw ay nag-retire. Pero kami ay malungkot dahil mamimiss ka namin. Masaya kami dahil wala nang stress ang buhay mo. Pero malungkot kami yung nagmana sa mga stress and tensions. Pero masaya kami dahil alam namin ikaw ay palaging nandito pa rin sa aming puso at palagi mo kaming gagabayan sa trabaho, sa programa dito sa Commission on Population na inalagaan mo for so many years, for the past 42 years. Gusto namin masalamatan ka sa pagiging tatay, sa pagiging kapatid, sa pagiging kaibigan, mga kabarkada, particularly ng mga drivers. Yun ay pagpapatunay na ikaw ay isang haligi ng POPCOM. Ikaw ang nagtayo at nagpalakas sa programa at sa ating institusyon. Maraming salamat sa inyo at hindi ka namin makakalimutan sa aming puso at sa aming isip. Thank you sa aming lahat.
Happy birthday, sir!
We love you, sir!
We will miss you, sir.
Enjoy your retirement, sir.
Enjoy your millions!
Basta
mahal ka namin!
Boss! Kami mga pogi ay umaasang makikita tayo muli. Gangnam Style!
Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
You may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, will you remember the time?